Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. As usual, you are watching my YouTube channel, Balghari Kitchen. And in today, Balghari Kitchen, I'm going to make seafood cutlet. It's also one of my favorite starter. So as you know, Ramadan is coming on. So I'm going to start with some Ramadan dishes. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for Ramadan. Some dishes which will be prepared, some for iftar, some for sahur. Please do subscribe Bulgari Kitchen, share to a friend and family. Thank you for watching Bulgari Kitchen. So viewers, let's start. Let me take you to kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for seafood cutlets. I'm going to show you. Here I have some white milk fish, some shrimp which I peel already, potato which I peel already, some chopped onion, oil, breadcrumbs, corn flour, chopped coriander, one piece of egg, crushed chili, chili powder, salt, garam masala, garlic powder, black pepper, vegetable stock. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for this recipe. I'm going to start in soon. Here I have already keep some water for steam. So we are going to steam our potato and shrimp and fish together. So let's steam our potato, fish and shrimp together for maximum of 10 minutes. Let's cover the lid. So let's start our preparation. I'm going to add the chopped onion, chili powder, salt, garam masala, garlic powder, black pepper, vegetable stock, crushed chili, chopped coriander, one piece egg for binding, corn flour, mix all together. Look, our shrimps and fish and potato almost steamed. So I'm going to take it out. So our shrimps are ready. Let's some chop. Don't make too much mash. I'm going to mix like this and this way. So now add the shrimp here. I'm going to chop fish just roughly because it's already cooked. So same way, put it inside the bowl. So let's our potato to also cut and chop like this way. It's a little hot. You can make it cool down while you're chopping. So let's put the potato also in the bowl. Mix together all. So viewers, let's mix together all. Everything mix together with the hand nicely. Little bit mash. Don't make too much mash. It's look like that. You can see. So almost it's ready. We're going to make like patty shape. One bowl like this. Can add some sprinkle of oil, like a splash of oil. Then add this one like this. Then mix together all. Press the corners. Like this. Then slowly put on the plate. This is nice shape. You can make by hand as well, but I'm going to make same size, so it will be like this. Now it's almost ready. We're going to keep in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. So let's start. I will take one piece, dip into the egg, both sides. Then we have breadcrumbs, and then we have directly frying. The side, Look at this. So it's brown. Look at this like this. Look at this color. We already turned around. So let me check other side. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Still 1 more minute to go. So I'm going to remove and put in the paper towel to stain the remaining oil. So our seafood cutlet is ready. I'm going to serve with a Thousand Island sauce. Uh, in next video, you can see Thousand Island as well. Let's put together here. So viewers, looks delicious. Seafood cutlets ready. I'm going to taste some of this. So make sure you watch a full recipe. This looks crunchy and crispy. Let me dip in Thousand Island dressing. Look like this. Mmm, it's something like wow. It's very delicious, tasty, and you can make in Ramadan on iftar time for your iftar. It's very very delicious. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments in comment section. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day. See you in next video soon.